this is Dipanjali and welcome to Swad Bengal. Our today's recipe is a healthy, quick breakfast recipe that is oats omelette. It is very nutritious and rich in protein and fiber. So let's check out the recipe. Before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to it and please press the bell icon for every new recipe notification. Let's begin.
For making oats omelette, here I have used Quaker oats. You can use any brand of oats. Here I have taken 3/4 cup of oats. Now I will grind it using a grinder jar. I will grind it to fine smooth powder in this way. Now the oats are nicely ground and powdered. Now here I have also taken some veggies for making the omelette. I have taken capsicum, onion, green chilies, tomato, carrot and garlic. You can take the veggies as per your choice. In a separate bowl, we will beat an egg. You can take more number of egg as per your choice. Here I have just taken one egg because I am making one omelette. Into this, I'll add 1 teaspoon of salt and our chopped veggies. We will now mix it properly. Into this, I'll add 1 teaspoon black pepper and half cup milk and mix it again. Now in this, we will add the powdered oats little by little and mix it properly. We will mix everything properly to form a uniform smooth batter. You can see the batter is ready. Meanwhile, I'll heat a pan or tawa and add 2 tablespoons of refined oil. Spread it evenly. To this, I'll pour the omelette oats batter. Now I'll keep the flame low and spread the batter evenly throughout the tawa. Here you can see friends, the consistency of batter is quite thick because I have just used one egg. If you're using more number of egg, then the batter will be comparatively thinner. We will now cover it with a lid and cook it in low flame for 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 minutes, we will check the omelette. You can see friends, it has cooked properly from one side. We will still cook it for 1 or 2 minutes more by covering the lid. Now you can see it has also cooked from the upper side. So I'll add 1 tablespoon of oil and spread it evenly. And now flip the omelette very carefully in this way. Similarly, we will cook the other side of the omelette by covering the lid. After 2 to 3 minutes, we will check the omelette and add butter. This is totally optional. You can add butter if you like, but this will surely enhance the taste of the omelette. I will just spread it evenly. Our oats omelette is ready to serve. This is a perfect healthy breakfast recipe. I personally love this recipe because it is rich in protein, carbohydrate, fibers, vitamins. And the best part is it can be made very quickly. It will not take more than 5 to 6 minutes. So friends, do try this recipe and let me know your feedback in the comment section. If you like this recipe, like the video, share it with your friends and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Also press the bell icon for every new recipe notification. Till then, have a good day. Take care.